Is your relationship struggling? You're doing all the right things, praying, serving, going to church, but you still feel disconnected, frustrated, or like you're drifting apart. The truth is, many Christian relationships are quietly being eroded by three dangerous, pervasive lies that we accept as truth. They destroy intimacy, steal joy, and pull us away from God's original design for connection. Welcome to the Godly Relationship Room, where we use biblical wisdom to build relationships that last. In this video, we are confronting the three lies that will absolutely ruin your Christian relationship if you don't recognize and reject them. These lies are subtle, but their impact is devastating. Let's dive in with lie number one. Lie number one is, it's all about me. We enter relationships thinking, what can I get? How can this person fulfill me? The Bible teaches the opposite. Philippians 2:3-4 calls us to humility and to look not only to our own interests, but also to the interests of others. A relationship focused on serving is the only one that truly thrives. Serving in the small moments reorients the heart and restores connection. It's not about losing yourself. It's about loving like Christ, practically and daily. Reject the lie. Choose humility. Choose service. When we make it about us before me, intimacy returns and joy grows. Stay with us as we tackle lie number 2 and 3 next.